राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में केंद्रीय विद्यालय क्रमांक 2 झालाली परिवार की तरफ से आपका अभिनंदन करती हूँ। केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन बेंगलुरु संभाग के माननीय उपायुक्त श्री सिरिमला संबन्ना जी, परम आदरणीय सहायक आयुक्त डॉक्टर एन वसंत जी एवं श्री जी ए नरसिम्हम जी, परम श्रद्धेय प्राचार्य श्री सुनील कुमार बीएस जी एवं उप प्राचार्य श्री उदय शंकर चतुर्वेदी जी, हमारे सम्माननीय अभिभावकगण, मेरे प्रिय साथियों और मेरे सबसे प्रिय छात्रों, सादर प्रणाम। ईश्वर कहते हैं उदास न हो, मैं तेरे साथ हूँ, सामने नहीं आस पास हूँ, पलकों को बंद कर और दिल से याद कर, मैं कोई और नहीं, मैं तेरा विश्वास हूँ। इसी विश्वास के साथ आज के कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ करेंगे ईश वंदना से।
कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला, या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता, या वीणा वरदण्डमण्डितकरा, या श्वेतपद्मासना, या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता, सा मा पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा। शुक्ला ब्रह्मविचारसार परमा, हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिका विधततिं, पद्मासने संस्थिता, वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं, बुद्धिप्रदां शारदा।
धन्यवाद हिता, आपकी भक्तिपूर्ण एवं मधुर प्रस्तुति ने सभा को मंत्र मुग्ध कर दिया। आप सब घर बैठे बैठे एक बार जोरदार कर ध्वनियों से इस सुंदर प्रस्तुति को सराहते हुए अपने शरीर को ऊर्जा प्रदान कर सकते हैं। तालियां बजाइए और बीमारियों से दूर रहे। धन्यवाद छात्रों। केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन उद्यान में इनका पदार्पण, पल्लवित हुई सभी विद्यालयों में आशा किरण, इनके शुभागमन से प्रफुल्लित हुए विद्यालय प्रांगण, केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन बेंगलुरु संभाग के सक्षम संचालक, कुशल प्रशासक, दिग्दर्शक, शुभ चिंतक एवं प्रेरणादायक हमारे माननीय उपायुक्त श्री सिरिमला संबन्ना जी से नम्र निवेदन है कि सभा को संबोधित करें।
Morning all of you. Sports is a big part of our life and it has become a way of life for healthy and fit India. We celebrate the National Sports Day on 29th of August every year to mark the birth anniversary of legendary Indian hockey player Major Dhyanchand Ji, who put his stamp on international hockey arena, had raised our country to the pinnacle of glory. Today, he is considered to be best hockey player that India has ever produced. At the age of 16, following the footsteps of his father, Dhyanchand Ji joined the army. His outstanding performance in the army hockey tournaments and subsequently other Olympics, Dhyanchand Ji scored over 1,000 goals and won 3 Olympic gold medals in the field of hockey. He was a sportsman behind the compare. Today, amidst the pandemic, we do celebrate the National Sport Day 2020 virtually to spread the awareness among the children to mold the healthy tomorrow and also to instigate the skill and talent of our children. It is a need of the hour to have a sound body in sound to fight against the immunity killers. This is the time to develop the prune healthy habits in our children. This big day reminds us of the prominence which we should place for sports and other daily activities. Our government imparts 100% support with a variety of programs and schemes including Khelo India, Fit India Champion. One of the prominent activities which attracts one for 2020 is ongoing Freedom Run Champion scheduled from the 15th August to 2nd October. This venture is to mold the healthy nation divide of city, laziness, stress, anxiety and many other lifestyle diseases. In this unfamiliar and unnatural situation of the pandemic spread, it is very much needed to have a good health. Run with a Freed Run Champion and upcoming series of sports activities get awarded with healthy body and mind. I hereby address all the parents to encourage your wards to participate in all the sports and games activities, and also I wish you to be a part of program by participating with your child. On this auspicious occasion, I should congratulate all the brains behind the endeavor of the virtual celebration of the National Sport Day a reality. I should congratulate each student of my region who is engaged in this venture, all the members of KVS Bangalore region. Sky is the limit. Never doubt yourself. Stay focused. Never let anything slow or stop from conquering your goals and making your dream happen. Let us all join together, build a healthy Indian for healthy tomorrow. Jai Hind.
आपके प्रभावपूर्ण भाषण के लिए धन्यवाद महोदय। आपने सटीक कहा है, केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन का लक्ष्य है कि छात्रों का सर्वांगीण विकास करना, स्वस्थ बच्चे एवं स्वस्थ भारत का निर्माण करना, अपने सुनिश्चित लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति के लिए अविरल प्रयास करना। धन्यवाद महोदय। द्रोणाचार्य पुरस्कार से सम्मानित श्री यू विमल कुमार जी भारत के केरल के बैडमिंटन खिलाड़ी हैं। उन्होंने प्रतिष्ठित फ्रेंच ओपन और वेल्स इंटरनेशनल ओपन जीता। बार्सिलोना ओलंपिक में भी भारत का प्रतिनिधित्व किया। दुनिया के बैडमिंटन खिलाड़ियों के रैंक में 20 रैंक के अंतर्गत थे। वे कई वर्षों तक भारतीय बैडमिंटन स्क्वाड के राष्ट्रीय प्रधान कोच थे। प्रकाश पदुकोण बैडमिंटन अकादमी में निर्देशक हैं। वर्तमान में बैंगलोर से स्टार खिलाड़ी साइना नेहवाल एवं पारुपल्ली कश्यप को प्रशिक्षण दे रहे हैं। हमारे मुख्य अतिथि द्रोणाचार्य पुरस्कार से सम्मानित श्री यू विमल कुमार जी आपको आशीर्वचन देंगे।
In India, we celebrate 29th August as a National Sports Day. This particular day is also the birth anniversary of the great Indian hockey wizard Major Dhyan Chand. Of course, this year, because of the pandemic, there was a major setback for sports and education, many of the activities. We all are definitely missing life. But one of the most positive and important thing that has happened this year during the pandemic is the government's decision to make sport as a part of the education policy. I never thought, that would happen, but I was very, very happy with this initiative from the government. But while we say this, we have many good policies on paper, but we have always been very poor in implementing them. But I'm sure, this step by the government, needs lots of support. We all know, in our country, academics has always been a priority. For a middle class person or for a lower middle class person, it has always been, the only way to come up in life was through education. That trend is slowly changing in the country now. Many parents are initiating children into sport, and taking sport as a profession is happening in the country. So I'm very, very happy with that sort of that trend happening. For again, coming back to this, getting this particular policy implemented, we need to support the government. Especially, it should start with the management of schools. Plays a very, very important role here. The headmaster, headmistresses, then teachers and parents. So the mindset, our mindset needs to change, because there is the common belief. The common belief is that if you are into sport, you are not good in academics. So that is not right. I've been coaching badminton for the last 25 years. In my experience is, what I have noticed is that many of the children who are into sport, they are also equally good in academics. Their time management and such things are much, much better than an ordinary child who's only just pursuing education. So this sport in that aspect plays a very, very important role, because through sport we learn to accept failures. Because again, the next, maybe 1 week we might lose, but in the next event that is happening, you get another opportunity to change. So sport really teaches us to accept failures. And also, so that is, parents play a very, very important role here, because it is when the children, when they are below 13 and 10 years, they need to be supported. It is the parents, like I mentioned, they need to support them towards maybe helping them get up in the morning early and putting them through some physical activity is a must. And that we need to continue. We need to not continue. I'm saying, it has to become a regular habit, because through good physical activity, you start the day very, very positively. So children at a very young age, especially I have noticed, the countries in the 60s and 70s, the Far Eastern European countries, even the Soviet bloc countries, they came out with a very good policy that every child between 4 and 6 years of age should get an opportunity to indulge in a bit of athletic activity, swimming and gymnastics. These three elements are part of excelling in any sport. So when they get that opportunity to indulge in that, so when the child is 7, 8 or 9 years, when they, depending on that aptitude, they can then easily adopt a particular sport and then come up in that sport. By indulging in sport, I'm not saying everybody will become champions, but sport will definitely help the child in better time management. They can take more responsibility, and they will also be mentally and physically strong. So please ensure that your children are put through, even though we are going through this pandemic, there is absolutely no harm in the child indulging in good physical activity early in the morning. So the responsibility is towards the parents in implementing that. And all this will definitely help us in the coming years, and I'm sure this particular policy of the government, including sport, the education policy, will go a long way for us, and it will help us come out as a very, very strong nation in sport. All the very best.
धन्यवाद महोदय, आपने उचित कहा है। खेल व्यक्तित्व के चहुमुखी विकास में सहायक होता है। हमारे विद्यालय के सेना नायक, समर्थ प्रशासक, प्रकृति प्रेमी, छात्रों एवं शिक्षकों के प्रोत्साह वर्धक, हमारे परम प्रिय एवं श्रद्धेय प्राचार्य महोदय श्री सुनील कुमार VS जी से अनुरोध है कि छात्रों को अपना संदेश प्रस्तुत करें।
Good morning, everybody. Wish you a very happy National Sports Day. Distinguished guests on the dais, dear colleagues, dear parents, and my dear children. Today, 29th August 2020, the day is celebrated as National Sports Day in commemoration of the great Indian hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand, one of the best sportsmen our country has produced. Today is his birthday. Always hockey was a special thing for the Indians. Our generation sometimes think or look back with a sense of disbelief about the golden era of Indian hockey when India won the Olympic gold medals in field hockey in 3 times in 1928, 32 and 36 in simultaneous years. That era was led by none other than Dhyan Chand, who scored 33 goals in 12 matches. Dhyan Chand joined the Indian Army at an early age and learned the game of hockey from his coach Pankaj Gupta. He quickly picked up the technique of dribbling, which led him to become the captain of the Indian hockey team. Due to his extraordinary skills, he was called as Chand. During his sports career, he has won 3 Olympic medals, and till date, he remains the only hockey player who has won Padma Bhushan Award. His lifetime awards and achievements in sports are considered the highest point of history in Indian sports. In the 1936 Olympics, it was the golden time of Dhyan Chand. He displayed unbelievable skills with his hockey stick that the German newspapers, where the Olympic was going on, carried a banner saying that the Olympic arena has become a magic show. The next day, posters were displayed all over Berlin, which showed visit the stadium and see the Indian magician Dhyan Chand in action. There is also a legendary story saying that his skills were so good and godly that in one instance his opponents went to the extent of physically checking his hockey sticks to see that whether any glue is attached to it so that the ball sticks to it. He scored over 400 goals in his career of 1926 to 1948. After putting his stamp on international hockey arena and having served his country to reach its pinnacle of glory in multiple image, Dhyan Chand passed away on 3rd December 1979. He remains a legendary figure in Indian and world hockey. The most noted international award memorials for him are Major Dhyan Chand Awards, the highest award for a lifetime achievement in sports and games in India, and the National Sports Day celebrations on his birthday. Last year, during the same day, August Day 2019, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched the Fit India campaign. It's a nationwide campaign which aims to encourage people to inculcate physical activity and sports in their everyday lives. This year also, we are doing the Fit India run. Our students, even during the COVID time, they are encouraging and participating in whatever possible way they are doing the Fit India run, whether in house or in the neighboring grounds or anywhere, with all the protocols of COVID-19. Now, coming to the importance of this day. This day, we know that we all think about the Major Dhyan Chand and his spirits. At the same time, we should also think about the importance of sports. Sports is very important activity for students. It is one activity which can help us in develop multiple qualities like sense of togetherness, leadership skills, stamina, physical strength, planning and strategy, patriotism and teamwork. The qualities which help us excel in the national field of sports. The National Sports Day is not only a tribute to one of the greatest legends in the game, it also remains reminds us about the importance of sports in our life. National Sports Day is particularly celebrated in academic institutions and sports academies all over India. It is celebrated all over India by organizing different types of sports like marathons, walkathons, football, hockey and such games. FICCI, in association with All India Council of Physical Education and Fitness, has been undertaking a nationwide initiative to create mass awareness about the importance of sports and physical activities in creating communities, active schools and active families, and build a fit, healthy and youthful India. On this occasion, I appeal to all the people who are seeing this program to involve in sports and such activities so that we will be able to build a healthy India in the days to come. Moreover, our own younger children who are talented, who have great potential, to practice from the very young age so that in coming years India will win many gold medals in the sports arena, especially in Olympics. Wish you all a very happy sports day. Let us hope that in future our country will become one of the flag holders in the Olympic arena and one of the toppers in the Olympic arena in medal tally. Once again, I wish you all a happy National Sports Day.
ना हारना जरूरी है, ना जीतना जरूरी है, बस खेलना जरूरी है, तंदुरुस्त रहना जरूरी है। आपके संदेशात्मक एवं उपदेशात्मक भाषण के लिए धन्यवाद महोदय। श्रीमती शोभा नारायण एमफिल की उपाधि से अलंकृत एकलव्य पुरस्कार, ओनके ओबावा पुरस्कार, रानी लक्ष्मी पुरस्कार, अजय मोरा पुरस्कार, प्रतिभा पुरस्कार, केम्पगौड़ा पुरस्कार, अर्जुन पुरस्कार से सम्मानित हमारी अगली अतिथि वक्ता कोको की स्वर्ण महिला है, क्योंकि इनके टीम ने राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर 10 बार स्वर्ण पदक जीता है। प्रस्तुत है उनका भाषण।
Hello everyone, I am Shubha Narayan, Arjuna Wadi, Coco Kabaddi coach. A hearty greeting to one and all present on this auspicious day. Today, we are celebrating National Sports Day on the occasion of Hockey Mantri Major Dhyanchand Ji's birthday. It's a tribute to Major Dhyanchand Ji. He brought 3 gold medals to our country. In the same way, such wonderful players like P.T. Usha, Kanna Malleshwari, P.V. Sindhu, many others, they have brought name and fame to our country, medals to our country. Behind that, we can see the dedication towards the sports. Without their dedication, without their interest, it's not possible to get the medal for our country, for themselves. Fitness is very important for a sports person. Fitness plays a major role in this. Without fitness, physical fitness, we can't achieve in a national and international level. So for that, we have to do everyday physical fitness. Schools plays major role in this. Children have to motivate in the school level itself. Then we can get a more number of players, athletes from rural side. India has got huge population, but still we are not able to achieve in medals in international level. For that, schools has to take major role in this. So Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is promoting the sports and cultural activities in various level, and they're supporting the children for giving periods, for compulsory periods for sports and other cultural activities for each and every players. And other schools also, like our Indian other schools also, they have to do the same way. Then we can expect the children can take part in the cultural and physical activities. Then we can expect more number of medals in an international level. So it's a great opportunity for me to attend this function, for giving me opportunity. Sangathan is working hard towards the sports, and I thankful for all the Sangathan members, Kendriya Vidyalaya, each and everyone for giving me opportunity to say my few words. Thank you for giving me opportunity. Thank you.
आपकी मधुर प्रस्तुति के लिए धन्यवाद महोदय। आइए सुनेंगे हमारे विद्यालय के आज्ञाकारी एवं मेधावी छात्र वंश का अंश भी।
The body is your temple. Keep it pure and clean for the soul to reside in. Greetings to one and all. I, Vansh Bharadwaj, a student of Kendriya Vidyalaya No. 2, Jalahalli, Bangalore, would like to talk about physical fitness during the COVID outbreak. As the pandemic is expanding day by day, it is getting important to follow the safety norms as strictly as possible. Each individual is experiencing large change in their daily routine. As staying at home has become our first priority, it has become harder for a lot of us to do the sort of exercise we normally do. And it's even harder for those who don't usually do exercise. But at a time like this, it is very important for people of all ages and abilities to be as active as possible. Regular physical activity can help give our days a routine and a way to stay in contact with family and friends. It is also good for our mental health, reducing the risk of depression by improving overall feelings. It can also reduce high blood pressure, risk of heart disease, and various other conditions that can increase susceptibility to COVID-19. Children and adolescents may indulge themselves in indoor physical activities, and adults can make use of household chores as a way to be physically active. Being active during the outbreak is challenging for all, as the opportunities to be physically active seem to be more restricted. It is even more important to plan in every day the way to be active and to reduce the time spent sitting for long periods. It is a critical time. Let's ensure we all move more and sit less. Thank you.
खेल व्यक्ति की जीतने की प्रेरणा देता है। तुमने सच कहा है वंश। हमारे खेल विभाग की अध्यक्षा केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन के संभागीय प्रोत्साहन पुरस्कार से सम्मानित खेल के क्षेत्र में हमारा विद्यालय बेंगलुरु संभाग में सर्वोच्च स्थान हासिल करने का श्रेय श्रीमती सावित्री जी का ही है। प्रस्तुत है श्रीमती सावित्री जी का संभाषण।
Health is just like a pencil. The more you sharpen it, the better it becomes. Good morning to all. Wish you happy National Sports Day. Respected Deputy Commissioner, Honorable Chief Guest of the day, and our beloved Principal, invited guests, and dear students. At the outset, let me express my sincere appreciation for the opportunity I have been given to share about the National Sports Day. It's a matter of great pride and honor to me. Likewise, allow me, the chairperson, to welcome all of you to this important webinar and assure you that this National Day during this haunting pandemic would serve as a great stress reliever which would reduce the symptoms of anxiety and depression in kids. National Sports Day is celebrated on 29th August on the birth anniversary of the hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand, who is regarded as nation's greatest hockey player of all time, popularly known as the Wizard for his magical touch, superb control, creativity, and extraordinary goal scoring feats. Chand was instrumental in taking Indian hockey to greater heights under his talismanic leadership. Dhyan Chand was born in Allahabad to Sameshwar Dutt Singh. Dhyan Chand joined the Indian Army at the age of 16 and never played hockey during his childhood. Slowly, he was attracted to the game and progressed quickly to represent India. He had led India to 3 Olympic gold medals in the years 1928, 1932 and 1936. He had scored over 400 goals in 22 years spanning from 1926 to 1948. He was bestowed with India's third highest civilian honor, Padma Bhushan, in 1956. Regarded as the greatest of all time, Chand also served in the Indian Army and brought laurels to the country. The noteworthy memorial for him is the Major Dhyan Chand Award, the highest award for lifetime achievement in sports and games in India. National Sports Day, also known as Rashtriya Khel Divas, has been the core attraction for all the sports enthusiasts since then. On this day, the eminent sports personalities of India are honored with major awards like Khel Ratna Award, Dhyan Chand Award, Dronacharya Award and Arjuna Award by President of India. Major Dhyan Chand was called Chand by his peers as he often practiced under the moonlight. This was the dedication exhibited in the early days by this legendary player. When he was in the army, his outstanding skill in hockey was noticed by the observers, and that is when he got his chance to start on a path that would bring him and his nation immortal honor and glory. In the 1928 Olympics held in Amsterdam, Dhyan Chand dominated the field by scoring 14 goals in first 5 matches, becoming the top scorer in the tournament. Later, he became captain of Indian hockey team and represented the country in the 1936 Olympic Games, which were held in Berlin. But he did not just rely on his own skill. As a captain, he placed his trust in his teammates and showed the world that teamwork is essential for victory. In one of the games, Dhyan Chand gave a grateful pass to his teammate, then turned back and walked away to his own position. When his teammate later asked him why he did so, he said, "If you did not get a goal from that, you did not deserve to be on my team." This was the discipline and faith that the captain exhibited and strove for. In the aforesaid mentioned Berlin Olympics, Dhyan Chand led India to victory with 8-1 against Germany in the finals. It was later discovered that to stop him, the opponents resorted to rough tactics that resulted in an injury where he lost his tooth. But he did not stop and kept playing. He even played barefoot in the second half to increase his pace on the field. These are just some of the accolades of this legendary player, and we must all learn the value of perseverance and dedication from this great personality who gives the word sportsmanship a new meaning. significance of National Sports Day, other than spreading awareness on the importance of sports, the special day also highlights the achievements and contribution of Chand to India's rich sports history and culture. The President confers National Sports Awards to honor sportsmen who have achieved laurels in the sports realm and enhanced country's pride all over the world. In 1979, the Indian Postal Department issued stamps in his honor. As a tribute to him, the National Stadium of Delhi was also renamed to Major Dhyan Chand Stadium. The Indian government over the years has launched many schemes related to sports on this day, including the Khelo India scheme in 2018 by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. On April 14, 2020, Government of India launched Fit India Active Day program. The program was launched under the flagship initiative of Government of India called Fit India. Highlights: the Ministry of Ayush has issued guidelines to implement the Fit India Active Day program. The program is launched to make sure children practice fitness even when they stay home. The program also intends to create immunity against COVID-19. The motto of the National Sports Day is to create awareness and inculcate the health benefits of sports across the country. Develop in us multiple qualities like sense of togetherness, leadership skills, stamina, physical strength, planning and strategy, patriotism and teamwork. These qualities also help us to excel in life. National Sports Day is not only a tribute to one of the greatest in the game, it also reminds us the importance of sports in our life. Stressing the need to stay fit and healthy, this auspicious day is observed to spread awareness on the importance of sports and daily activities in every individual's life. I would like to conclude with these words: coming together is beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. हम फिट है तो इंडिया फिट है. जय हिंद.
आपने ठीक ही कहा. खेलों द्वारा पैदा हुई कई महान विभूतियां अपना जौहर दिखलाकर पाई है सुखद अनुभूतियां. आपकी रोचक प्रस्तुति के लिए धन्यवाद सावित्री जी. जस्ट प्ले, हैव फन, एंजॉय द गेम, ये माइकल जॉर्डन का विचार है. आइए जानेंगे हमारे बहुमुखी प्रतिभा से संपन्न छात्रा श्वेता तिवारी का विचार क्या है.
मुश्किलों से भाग जाना आसान होता है. हर पहलू पर जिंदगी का इम्तिहान होता है. डरने वाले को मिलता नहीं कुछ भी जिंदगी में, लड़ने वालों की कदमों में जहान होता है. नमस्कार आदरणीय उपायुक्त श्री श्रीमला संबना जी, आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, आदरणीय उप प्रधानाचार्य जी, माननीय शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्रिय सहपाठियों. आज मैं श्वेता तिवारी, केंद्रीय विद्यालय नंबर 2, जलाहली पूर्व की छात्रा, आप सभी के समक्ष खेल दिवस के उपलक्ष्य पर कोरोना वायरस कठिन दौर कठिन परिश्रम के ऊपर अपने विचार लेकर प्रस्तुत हुई हूँ। जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि खेलकूद शरीर और मन में ताजगी लाता है। खेलकूद को जीवन का आवश्यक अंग मानने वाले जीवन में आने वाली समस्याओं से हंसकर जूझ जाते हैं तथा सदैव ही खुश रहते हैं। खेलों को खेल कर ही हम मनुष्य यह समझ पाते हैं कि हमारा जीवन भी एक खेल ही तो है। हमें जीवन को कभी भी गंभीर तथा तनाव युक्त नहीं बनाना चाहिए। अगर हर कोई तनाव मुक्त होकर जिए तो संसार की न जाने कितनी परेशानियां यूं मिनटों में हट जाएंगी। इसीलिए हमें अपने जीवन में खेल कूद का महत्वपूर्ण स्थान नियुक्त करना चाहिए। समय के साथ हालात बदल जाते हैं, इसीलिए बदलाव के साथ खुद को बदल लेना ही समझदारी होती है। परंतु यह तो हम सब जानते हैं कि आज के कठिन दौर में हमारा एक साथ होना कितना ज्यादा जरूरी है तथा इस वैश्विक महामारी कोरोना वायरस से स्वयं को एवं अपने परिवार को बचाना कितना ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है। मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगी CBSE का, जिन्होंने फिट इंडिया मिशन से हम बच्चों के लिए व्यायाम की ऑनलाइन कक्षाएं शुरू की हैं, जिससे हम बच्चों के कई फायदे हुए हैं। नियमित योग से हमारा मन शांत रहता है एवं हम तनाव मुक्त रहते हैं। और मेरा तो यह भी मानना है कि इस वजह से हमारा पढ़ाई में भी पूर्णतः मन लगता है। आज के दौर के बच्चों के लिए, जिन्हें घंटों मोबाइल के सामने बैठने से आंखों में दर्द, पीठ दर्द, अनिद्रा, ध्यान केंद्रित करने में तकलीफ होती है, उनके लिए यह योजना सबसे ज्यादा फलदायी है। इससे बच्चों की सेहत पर असर बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता तथा ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के टाइम पे बच्चे सक्रिय रहते हैं। वो कहते हैं न कि माना अंधेरा घना है, परंतु बाती जलाना कहाँ मना है। माना कि हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते, माना कि हम अपने दोस्तों के साथ मिलकर बाहर मैदानों में खेल नहीं सकते, माना कि हम बाहर जाकर खुली हवा में श्वास नहीं ले सकते, परंतु हम घर पर रहकर भी अपने मनोरंजन हेतु कई सारे खेल खेल सकते हैं, जैसे कैरम, चेस, लूडो। हम घर पर रहकर ही व्यायाम एवं योग के फायदे भी उठा सकते हैं। दैनिक व्यायाम एवं योग हमारे शरीर को स्वस्थ एवं दिमाग को तेज रखता है तथा हमारे शरीर में आलस्य का प्रवेश नहीं होता। मेरा तो यह विश्वास है कि आने वाले दिनों में हम फिर से अपने दोस्तों के साथ बाहर घूमने जा सकेंगे, अपने माता पिता के साथ बाहर निकलकर ताजी हवा में सांस ले सकेंगे, बाहर मैदान में जाकर क्रिकेट, कबड्डी, खो खो तथा लुका छुपी जैसे अन्य खेल खेल पाएंगे तथा एक बेखौफ एवं निडर जिंदगी जी पाएंगे। मैं आभारी हूँ हमारे आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी एवं माननीय शिक्षक गणों की, जिन्होंने मुझे यह मौका दिया कि मैं आप तक अपनी बात पहुंचा पाई। तो चलिए इसी यकीन के साथ कि जिस प्रकार हम खेल के मैदान में अपनी पूरी ताकत के साथ अपने विरोधी पक्ष को जवाब देते हैं, उसी तरह जीवन में भी हम कभी हार नहीं मानेंगे। धन्यवाद।
सच हम नहीं, सच तुम नहीं, सच है महज संघर्ष। सही है श्वेता, कोरोना से क्यों रोना है, हमें उसे हराना है। इस संघर्ष में जीत हमारी है। अब उपस्थित होने वाली है श्रीमती आलिन कोस्टा, केंद्रीय विद्यालय की पूर्व छात्रा, हमारे विद्यालय की आदर्श शिक्षिका, कुशल वक्तृता। इनका विषय है रसायन विज्ञान। आज हमें उनसे मिलेगा फिटनेस का ज्ञान।
Greetings to all the viewers and a hearty welcome to this online celebration of the National Sports Day at Kendra Vidyalaya No. 2, Air Force Station, Jalhalli East, Bengaluru. First and foremost, respect and salutations to the Wizard of Hockey, Major Dhyan Chand, on this auspicious day of the Rashtriya Khel Divas 2020. I would like to thank Shri Sirimala Sambanna, esteemed Deputy Commissioner, Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, Bangalore region, Shri Sunil Kumar VS, worthy principal of our Vidyalaya, and the sports teacher, Mrs. A. Savitri, to give me the opportunity to present my views on the topic fitness and wellness through sports. Being a Kevian, when I look back to those memorable school days at different Kendra Vidyalayas in different parts of the country, the one and most striking unifying factor which I can recall and which highlights KVs from all the other schools is the rich culture of sports and games. And that culture has grown formidably with the support of the organization, government, school authority, parents, and most of all, enthusiastic students under the able guidance of the sports teachers. Our athletes and players have made Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan proud with their outstanding performances. And thus, today KVS has been attributed a status of a state for participation in sports and games events at the national level. Firstly, I would like to delve into the understanding of fitness and wellness in our lives. Fitness specifically refers to physical health and is the ability to complete a physical task or the lack of a physical ailment. Besides feeling better mentally, exercise can help protect you from multiple lifestyle diseases, and it can make you look younger, increase and maintain bone density, and improve the quality of your life. Fitness can be achieved through proper nutrition, moderate to vigorous physical exercise, and most importantly, sufficient rest. Wellness, on the other hand, refers to the balance of a spectrum of health-related elements in one's life. Wellness is far broader than fitness and encapsulates your entire life, including many more modalities of health. During recent decades, there has been a progressive decline in the level of physical activity in people's daily lives. For a majority of people, little physical effort is exerted in their work, domestic chores, transportation, or leisure. But the fact remains that physical inactivity is a major risk factor for most common non-communicable diseases. For sure, playing sports is generally a fantastic way to improve your fitness and health. Many of us may not feel at home pounding away on a treadmill or working up a sweat in the gym, but we'll happily chase a ball around endlessly while playing a game of some sort. Playing sports helps reduce body fat or controls your body weight and will allow you the satisfaction of developing your fitness and skills. They can help you fight depression and anxiety. Taking part in sports reduces the level of stress hormones and enhances the release of endorphins. Endorphin works to reduce stress and keep away any depression development signs. Playing sports helps strengthen bones, improves coordination, balance, and flexibility. Sports and physical activity has long been used as a tool to improve mental, physical, and social well-being. All work and play makes Jack a dull boy is a saying that has long been used to encourage kids to take part in sports. And here are a few reasons that may resonate with the students of today. Firstly, improved mind concentration. If you suffer from loss of mental concentration in classrooms, playing sports is one of the best ways to solve this problem. Some sports activities that have been proved to be of great help include a mix of aerobic and muscle strengthening games. The activities help to keep your mind sharp, and as a result, you are able to exercise critical thinking and practice good judgment techniques. And as a result, your academic performance is going to improve. Secondly, it boosts confidence and self-esteem. Confidence and self-esteem are an important part of every student life. Participating in sports is a calling to set individual and team goals. Your goals will vary from winning the game, having a score, being the best player, making a good trail, or having fun at the field. When we are able to accomplish these goals, we boost our self-confidence in all that we do. Having confidence in you improves your self-worth and esteem. Thirdly, a good way to socialize. In this smartphone age, when virtual games is a new reality, engaging in team sports gives you an opportunity to interact with other students and with the society at large. It gives you a chance to meet old friends and have a chance to meet new people in your life. Fourthly, proper time management. Sport take much of the students' time doing practices. To balance both classwork and sports activities, students will have to learn how to do time management. As a student, playing sports helps you decide when to do your class assignments and still attend different sports activities. In conclusion, playing sport is not only good for students' physical health, but also good for improving their mental health. There is a variety of sports that you can find satisfaction in as a student. Participate in playing sports today for a chance to improve your mental health as well as academic results. Here are some of the best sports activities that will help you achieve the perfect balance of mental and physical well-being. Swimming, a cardiovascular powerhouse that works the entire body. It's a particularly good choice for those who benefit from low-impact exercise. Tennis, this is one of the best aerobic exercises on par with jogging and cycling. Basketball improves agility, precision, and hand-eye coordination. And well, cycling does all the magic. Even if your interest does not lie in team sports, there are plenty of less intense solitary options. Activities such as swimming, gymnastics, track and field, martial arts, yoga, and golf can provide physical benefits and allow you to engage in extracurricular activity. To improve the overall health and well-being of the nation by guiding the children towards a fitter lifestyle, the Fit India movement, a nationwide movement to encourage people to remain healthy and fit by including physical activities and sports in their daily lives, was launched by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji at Indira Gandhi Stadium in New Delhi on 29th August 2019. In conclusion, sports is the seed for the overall development of one's personality. Therefore, the importance of sports should never be underestimated and should be given due importance at par with education and career. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
धन्यवाद अली मैम, आपने अपने फिटनेस मंत्र से हमारा दिल जीत लिया है। राष्ट्रीय खेलकूद दिवस के अवसर पर हमारे विद्यालय के चित्रकारों के रंगीन एवं सौंदर्यमयी कला प्रस्तुति से आनंद लुटाई।
The final of the Olympic hockey. The wonderful Indian team in the white shorts, who so far have scored 30 goals to 0 in the tournament, are playing Germany. India score. India score again. Germany score. result was India 8, Germany 1.
पहले ही मैच में 3 गोल, ओलंपिक खेलों में 35 गोल और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मैचों में करीब 400 गोल। सब मिलाकर किए गए 1000 से ज्यादा गोलों का आंकड़ा मेजर ध्यानचंद को हॉकी का जादूगर कहलाने के लिए काफी है। और अगर अभी भी उनके खेल को लेकर कोई शक है तो मैं उनके कैरियर की कुछ घटनाएं आपसे शेयर करने जा रहा हूं, जिससे यह आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ध्यानचंद की तरह हॉकी का खिलाड़ी उनके बाद ना तो कोई हुआ है और शायद ना ही कोई होगा। दोस्तों, गेंद इस तरह उनकी हॉकी स्टिक से चिपकी रहती थी कि उनके अगेंस्ट खेल रहे खिलाड़ियों को अक्सर शक होता था कि वह किसी स्पेशल स्टिक से खेल रहे हैं। यहां तक कि एक बार हॉलैंड में खेलते समय उनकी हॉकी स्टिक में चुंबक होने के शक की वजह से उनकी स्टिक को भी तोड़कर देखा गया था। ध्यानचंद ने अपनी अद्भुत खेल से जर्मनी के तानाशाह हिटलर से लेकर महान क्रिकेटर डॉन ब्रैडमैन तक को अपने खेल का दीवाना बना दिया था। बात है 4 अगस्त 1936 को खेले गए ओलंपिक फाइनल की, जिसमें भारत और जर्मनी आमने सामने थे। मैच जर्मनी में खेला जा रहा था। पूरा स्टेडियम खचाखच भरा हुआ। जर्मनी का तानाशाह हिटलर भी अपने टीम का हौसला बढ़ाने के लिए वहां मौजूद था। मैच शुरू हुआ और पहले हाफ तक मुकाबला बहुत कड़ा रहा, लेकिन भारत 1-0 से बढ़त बनाने में कामयाब